Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Lucy the ShihTzu. So, this is our first episode of the podcast, and we will be talking about how we take care of our pet. So, we have a pet named Lucy. She's a female ShihTzu, and I have my beta half, Bina, with me. So, welcome, Bina.
Hi everyone.
So, tell me, so let me just ask you this way. How do you take care of your pet?
Yeah, actually, I don't have much time. I have a helper, but as and when I'm there, I take care of her. So I wake up in the morning, I try to give her watermelon juice. I try to give her through syringe at least 30 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 30 ml. So that way I start the day. Then I start with a potty, susu. Yeah, after that, then I go to the office. Then when I come back, I'll make sure that she's taken out for a walk. I take her out for a walk for say 1 hour in the evening. Morning I don't have time, so she's always at home. And now because of that she's gaining weight. So that is how I'm taking care. Not a great caretaker. Trying to be.
Okay, so how's her health condition?
She's awesome. She eats. You can train her through a lot of treats. And we try to put a lot of vegetables so she doesn't miss out on vitamins. And her vaccination, everything is up to date. Her grooming is like still on hold due to certain reasons.
So how so let's say how often do you take her to grooming, and then do you groom at home?
Yes, I wanted to groom at home till my husband came and interfered. He wanted a very pretty Shih Tzu. So he started taking her to all the groomers. But now I realize closed door and a dog inside is not a good idea. So I wanted to be present there, but since in Bangalore it is not allowed, I am trying to groom myself. I'm trying to groom my dog and I'm trying to learn how to groom. Correct?
Okay.
And because I've seen a lot of videos, I'm sure my pet also would have got hit by those groomers. I'm very, very sure because my dog also is very aggressive. So I don't want to have all those scenarios. So I'm trying to do it myself or where there is at least open space where I can see what they are doing.
Okay, so everything has to be done by yourself.
I'm trying to. If not, I'll take her to a place where it is a glass room so that I can see what's happening inside. Because I don't trust people. I have trust issues.
Okay, so tell me about how do you spend the weekends? So do you go out with Lucy somewhere? You know.
If you ask me how I spend, I study a lot and my dog sleeps a lot. So if I get time, I take her out. She wants to be everywhere. She's wannabe dog everywhere. I take her out.
So where do you take her out? Like, is there a
Dog's
place?
restaurant, yeah.
Okay, so is there a place
Yes.
which is where the pets are allowed?
Yeah, few places, but I think people should have more places where dogs owner are allowed. I think malls should allow dogs. I feel nowadays.
Then nobody will come in the mall.
Yeah, there should be a place where dogs are allowed in the mall. Then only the malls will have more people coming now.
Okay. So in Bangalore, as you know, in Kaban parks and some of the parks, in morning they usually allow the pets to.
They allow, but it's very far, so difficult to travel.
Okay, so let's talk about the health part. So do you also keep a health insurance for Lucy?
I'm trying to keep, but I don't know. Let's see how things are. I'm trying to figure out which is the best.
And what about the interaction with other pets? Lucy, does Lucy communicate well with other pets?
No, not at all. She barks at everyone, even bees, bird, doors, bucket, everything she barks.
So that means
It is well trained.
she's like she's liking.
Yeah. I still have to train her. She's just 1 year, 4 months old.
Okay, so do you train by yourself or do
Yes,
you
I
have?
train by myself when I have time.
So how do you train? Like
I
everything.
train through treat. Like potty also I've trained her, so she does everything in one particular place. So like that I will train her, but I don't know how to train her right now. I will learn that also.
So it's like whatever you want to do, you have to learn yourself, and you have to do everything by yourself.
Yes, I
But
have
people will
trust.
be there who actually doesn't have time to spend that much to learn and train each and every pet of their own. So I think that's a difficult thing.
Yes, it's difficult for that reason. Their trainers are there, but make sure you trust the trainer, and there is a cameras everywhere wherever he or she is getting trained.
Okay, so that means you have a very.
No, it is very because all human beings are mentally unstable. We are all like emotionally unstable. Nobody is balanced. So you don't know when, what they will react. What are the reflexes? When the dog shows teeth, what is their mental status and how they'll react. So mostly there's some little criminal part in every human being. So that should not come out, and that should not go. It should not be like the time my dog goes and he or she shows the criminal part. So peace.
Okay, so tell me, if you have to go for a vacation, or let's say for some business, out of station. So in that case, what happens? Will Lissy be left alone?
No, 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 definitely no. I'll
So
make
how
sure
do you
she's
work
with
out?
somebody, or I will only take her. I will take her and I'll stay in the place where dogs are allowed. But I'll not leave her alone. How to leave her alone? Tell. Small little things.
Okay, so tell me some, you know, sweet moments when you have shared with Lucy, or um, you know, Lucy has done for you. Some sweet. You can share us some sweet moments.
Whenever I come back, she'll be all excited to give so much of love. Yeah, and whenever I'm going, she'll show me sad face. Yeah. And when she is very irritated with me, she'll hold my hand very tight. And she'll do a thing. Yeah.
Okay, I think that was a
I
nice.
think today, we don't have much time. Maybe in the next episode we'll discuss more. What do you say?
Okay.